Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jordan and today I have an exciting video for you guys. It's going to be short and sweet and it's going to get straight to the point. Today, instead of having a clothing review for you guys, I have a shoe review for you guys. Today, as you could probably read from the title, I have the Represent Reptor Low in the brown suede colorway, and I'm super excited to have this as I've been wanting it for a super long time, but it's always been sold out in my size. And when they announced that they were coming out with the version 2 of the shoe, you know I had to pick it up and give it a try. So I'm super excited to have it. It just came in the mail. So without further ado, cue the intro. Let's go. Alright guys, so I did end up opening this box outside of the video. I was so happy, I really wanted to see what was inside. But anyways, let me just tell you, I do wear a size 13 shoe, so finding shoes in a size 13 US is super hard. So I had to grab these really quick because I didn't want them to sell out, but man, am I ever happy to have these. So as you can come from Represent, you get a really clean, super nice box. The box is just a nice off-white colorway with Represent embossed there on the top. Nothing too crazy. It always seems like Represent is going with this really minimalistic packaging lately, and I'm super digging it. So anyways, let me show you all what's inside. Alright guys, so just like any typical shoe, on the inside you're gonna get the Represent dust bag in an ivory colorway, super nice, as well as you get the vintage white laces. Now, on the website, it told me that I was going to be receiving vintage brown laces as well, but coming to inspect my box, they didn't put any in there, which kind of sucks. I was thinking about messaging customer service to try and get me a new pair, but you know what? It's not that big a deal. But anyways, let me show you all the shoes. All right, so let me just throw this box down right quick. All right, guys, so here they are, the Reptor Lows in brown colorway with off-white and black. Man, these shoes are super nice. I'm super digging the style. They kind of remind me of like a skateboard shoe, and I believe that's what inspired this shoe right here. Super nice. So let's get into the details. So from what I understand, this version here features a higher toe box than the previous version, as a lot of people were complaining about comfort and just overall shape of the shoe. It was hurting their feet and stuff like that. So I'm super excited that they went and refined the overall shape of this shoe. Now, what I find really cool that Represent did there, they basically wrote Rep on the side of the shoe, which is really subtly done, and they wrote it in this suede brown color, which I find a really cool detail to add to the shoe. And in the second version of the shoe, they have the new Represent logo embossed there at the bottom of the midsole, which is really dope. Just a super dope feature, just to add more branding to the shoe. Yeah, this shoe really gives me like a Jordan 1 vibe kind of thing, especially when you look at it from the top view. Really cool. Yeah, so the shoe features like a black leather throughout the midsole of the shoe, with a vintage white upper, mixed with the hints of brown, and by default it comes with black laces, which is pretty cool. So the bottom sole is a nice grayish gray colorway with the Represent logo right there at the bottom. Super dope shoe. You also get the Represent branding right there on the sole of the shoe, the insole, sorry. Yeah, really clean shoe. Not much to say about it. I'm gonna throw this on for y'all so you can see what it looks like on feet. Overall, I'm super happy with this shoe. It looks really great in person. A lot of details on this shoe that I'm sure I'm gonna continue to find as I go through. So let me throw these on, let you see what they look like on my feet. Again, I'm a size 13, and yeah, let's see what they look like. Alright guys, now that concludes my video for today. And overall, I must say, this might be one of my favorite shoes in my collection. It's definitely different and I love the colorway. So is it worth the 185-pound price point? That's up to you, because to me it is. And the quality on this shoe is just amazing. So that being said, I do give this shoe a thumbs up. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot in the summertime. If you guys do want to hit me up on Instagram, I'm gonna leave my Instagram right here. And you guys can always message me, ask me questions. If you guys have any questions about the shoe or any Represent product that I've showcased in past videos, feel free to hit me up, guys. I love talking to y'all. Now, as far as my upcoming videos, I do plan on picking up the new Alpha Low colorway. I'm gonna try to pick it up in black. And when I do pick that up, I'm going to do a comparison video between the Alpha Low's previous version and this version now. So if you want to see that video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Like this video, comment, let me know that you're appreciating the videos, and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out on that review. Alright guys, anyways, it's been real. I hope you had fun watching this video. I gotta go, guys, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.